Spent 2 days at Manila Matcha Fest, drunk 11 drinks, and splurged over 3,500 pesos. What? Hello everyone, we're here at MOA para sa Matcha Fest nila. The biggest ever, sabi. Okay, so we got the matcha egg relay ng Aku. Egg relay first. Masarap yung egg relay niya. Sweet, pero more on cream siya, hindi eggy. Tignan mo natin without mixing it. Earthy, with subtle astringency. Balanced sweetness din. Yeah, still good. Pero syempre, nabawasan na yung tapang ng matcha. So ito yung basic nila, Kokorobi Latte. Matcha lang siya with oat milk and agave syrup. Look at that green. Vibrant yung pagka-green niya. Pero yung powder lang, parang hindi ito na maigi. Sarap. It's nutty. Feeling ko dahil din sa oat milk. You have go-to matcha latte. Look at the color. Nutty sweet umami. I like it. Ganun lang. So we have the Akay. It's a nitro matcha with silymarin capsule. Yung una ko nalasahan yung muscovado sugar. Kasi yun yung sweetener na gamit. Next naman, pero na-overpower niya yung matcha. Meron akong isasuggest dito that meron silang regular sweetener lang and another flavor lang yung muscovado. Mas overpowering yung muscovado. That's still good, I can say. Okay, let's try this. So far, ito yung sobrang green. This is Banana Crunch Marco. So it's Banana Crunch ng Crunchify with homemade banana cream daw and their signature blend. Let's try it. Very fragrant yung banana niya. Balance na yung sweetness niya. Na mas nung fragrance and nung flavor ng banana yung pagka-matcha. But, it's still there. On our 6th matcha, and I agree, it's already too much matcha. Earl Grey matcha from too much matcha. So, let's try this. Hindi ko masasabing too much yung matcha. It's just right. Very balanced yung matcha in Earl Grey. Lasa siyang matcha ng Earl Grey.